Ah, she's coming right for me.
Uh-oh.
What do you think, Eloise? Is that neat or what? It also does things like those legs or that back part splits apart and it's a walker. Oh no, she's coming right for me.
I'm gonna open this one.
Let's see. You want to see what else it can do, Eloise? No? Okay. Not just yet. Let's see what Mommy has for you. She has more presents.
This is for Mommy.
Oh boy.
Oh, wow. How neat. How pretty.
What is that?
A little piece of art.
Cool. Beauty.
Virgen de Guadalupe. Oh, we still have one more box in here.
That's a candle. That's Daddy's candle.
Eskimo kisses.
Aww.
Cute. Eloise, you want to open this one?
She's playing house right now.
Eloisita. I'll open her boots for her.
Yeah, we should just open them and show them
I'm
to
opening
her.
all the clothes and then she can open the toys. Cute. Eloisita, look, new zapatos. New zapatos. Let's see.
Get them on here. Let's try them on immediately.
Hold on. Okay, put in. Whoa, those are awesome. Let's try this foot. Cool.
Mm-hmm. I bet those are comfy.
Those look great. She's got her toes all scrunched up in there. Thanks.
Are they a little big? Just
They're okay. They're her size. They're fine. Let's see. Let's open this one for Eloise. Eloise, you want to open this? Look. Ooh, a xylophone. Eloisita, look, a xylophone. You want to open this?
Eloise, where's your belly? Show us your belly. Where's your belly? There it is. That's right.
There's like too much going on for her.
Yeah. There's a lot of toys to play with already.
Look at this. This is great.
We could spread it out and have Christmas every weekend for the next 6 or 8 weeks.